Hi guys, so welcome back to my vlog. So in this video is I take myself into a solo date, and I think this might actually turn into series where I visit different places, of course, by myself. So for today's video, I decided to go intramuros and just roam around, take it slow and enjoy the moment. And now is I'm all alone. I think I'm gonna sit there. So, it's 3:39 and andito na ako sa Port Santiago. After kong maligaw-ligaw and palakad-lakad kasi nung una hindi muna ako nag-maps. Talagang sabi ko kung saan na lang ako dalan kasi kumakain ako ng ice cream. And hindi ko na yan napakita kasi tinapon ko na siya. Natunaw siya kasi galing pa ako ng SM Manila. So, yun. And nakalimutan ko yung notebook ko, which is kung saan ako nag-journal. Ngayon ko lang naalala na hindi ko pala siya dala kasi kanina sa SM Manila namimili ako ng notebook para sabi ko doon na lang din ako mag-journal. Pero hindi ko talaga siya naalala that time na hindi ko dala kasi ang dami nang dala, like ang bigat-bigat ng bag ko. Siguro sa iPad ko na lang. And so later I'm going to take a picture sa photo booth doon. Actually yun yung talagang reason ko why I'm here. So, yeah. Ito yung view ko, guys. Yan yung view ko. Diba? It's so pretty and it's so relaxing. And I'm the only one here. Kasi dapat talaga is tatambay muna ako sa coffee shop. But wala akong mahanap na coffee shop sa SM Manila na wala masyadong tao. So, I think here na lang ako magpapahinga kasi medyo mainit pa eh. So, I'm gonna wait for the sun to come down so that we can roam around. Hi guys, so I think it's been 30 minutes since I seated here. Hindi na mainit, thanks. You can probably see naman kasi parang dumadami na yung tao pumapasok dito. So I think it's time na magpa-picture na tayo. At ayusin ko lang yung bag ko kasi ang gulo na ito. So, okay guys, quick story time about what happened to me when I took the photo booth pictures. Is everything happened so fast that I literally forgot all my poses. Like, I swear, I planned everything, like every details in my head. But the moment I step in is, yung utak ko is nagblanko siya guys. Kasi yung duration niya is like 10 seconds lang. And since first time ko yon, and yeah, that's why I look kind of weird in the photos, but honestly, it's all part of the experience. So, doon yung daan ko. So, papasukan ko siya. Alam kung pwede pumasok. Let's see. Pwede naman because it's open. nahihingal ako, hindi ko alam bakit. Kasi walang hangin dun sa baba. Kasi nasa baba. So, parang nag-rent ako ng bike. I think I can rent pa rin naman. But it's 4:39 already. So, maybe next time na lang. Kasi naligaw nga ako, di ba? Kaya sabi ko na. So, let's see. Ito yung... Oh, ganito ako na. Wait ako. Hindi ko na yung sisingit sarili ko. Yeah. Guys, I suggest na pumunta kayo dito sa Intramuros, especially here in Port Santiago, if you guys like want to relax ganyan, kasi super hangin dito, lalo na gantong oras, mga 4, sobrang hangin and sobrang presko. Saan ako bababa? Okay, so yun, it's nice. Kahit mag-isa kayo guys, pumunta na kayo. So, let's go here. Walang katao-tao, guys. So, kayong may charot. It's nice talaga. Ang daming ibon. I'm scared. Ay! See? Kanina doon ako nakaupo. Hindi. Try ko kumain dun sa may tapat ng church kasi marami ng mga store doon. So, let's go. So, that's it for today's vlog, and thank you so much for watching the first episodes of my solo date vlogs, and I think I'm gonna call it as Alone But Not Lonely series. So, I hope this video inspires you to take yourself on little solo dates too, because you truly deserve your own time and company. So, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!